there, it's time to bring you what's hot and what's new at Pinoy.com.
Good day, everyone. This is Josie, and of course, with me is
Kabayan Rico, and we're back. Ayun.
Yes, because we're going to show them something new. Di ba sabi mo nga kanina,
Oh,
something
bago
hot
talaga.
from Pinoy.com. At hindi lang isa,
Dalawa pa yan.
kundi dalawa.
Ito yung tinatawag na Super Bass Vibration Speaker.
Okay, ano ba itong Super Bass Vibration Speaker na ito? We're going to show you, but first, ito muna isa. Okay?
Kita natin.
Yahoo! Excited na ba kayo?
Ang kagandahan nito, matibay, because it's made of aluminum, making it lighter to carry. Hindi siya
Very
mabigat.
Yes, very portable,
Ayun.
ladies and gentlemen.
Tingnan
And very
natin
easy
yan.
to use. All you need to do is to turn it on.
Yan.
There you go.
Naka-on na
Connect
yan.
to Bluetooth. Bluetooth
You
lang
know
yan.
the purpose of this small thing? Ito yung magko-convert any surface into a booming sound speaker.
Just like
Yan.
magic.
Yes.
Papakita natin
Malalaman
sa
natin.
inyo.
Kahit pala mga karton na plastic, meron palang iba-ibang dating when it comes to the production of audio quality.
Ready na ba kayo? Dahil
Ito yung
ready na po siya. Alright.
vibration speaker at work.
Whoa!
Yan na, no? Oh, iba-iba. Tingnan na natin. May kukunin ako. Tingnan natin kung anong sounds ito. Oh. Yan. Tingnan natin kung anong effect ito. Sige, dyan. Oh. Oh. Tingnan mo.
Akala mo ikaw lang, meron din ako.
Yan, tingnan natin ang epekto. Oh. Oh.
Magic! Very small yet.
Ito yung
very
maganda,
powerful.
especially if you want to transform your room into a live wire party place, di ba? Ang kailangan mo lang, hindi yung malaking speaker na mahihirapan ka. You don't need a big speaker. All you need is just one small object that could transform a surface
Very,
into
very
a booming
light.
sound system.
Very light and very
Kaya,
portable.
yan ang advantage ng Super Bass Vibration Speaker.
Super Bass Vibration Speaker available only at Pinoy.com for
Yes.
only 299
And
pounds.
don't forget, it's made of aluminum at saka
Very light. and
1
portable.
year warranty.
1 year warranty, very easy to connect. Bluetooth lang po, ladies and gentlemen. 299 na lang siya na dati ay
399. At saka ang dalawa, ipakita natin kasi hindi lang pala ito isa dalawa. Kung gusto mong mas malakas yung party lang, lalo na pag yung room mo medyo
Yes,
malaki.
exactly.
Diba?
So katulad na sabi ko, not just one, but two
Malalaman natin.
gifts from
You will feel the difference between one speaker and two speakers. Dalawa na yung Super Bass Vibration Speaker. Mabibili lang sa Pinoy.com at hindi sa iba't ibang
Oy.
stores dito sa Dubai.
Kanina, isa lang. Ngayon naman, meron tayo, dalawang klase siya. Very easy. Again, ladies and gentlemen, just turn it on. Bluetooth
Yan.
po yan, ha?
Dalawa. Tingnan natin yung diferensya pag dalawa ng Super Bass Vibration Speaker. Mura lang. 499 na dating 599. So,
Exactly.
you have to take advantage of the offer at Pinoy.com. Order now!
Ayan, excited
Ayan.
na siya. Power on.
Tingnan natin. Oh. Mga kababayan, bago po ito. Kaya nga, pinipicture namin sa What's Hot, What's New at Pinoy.com kasi kare-release lang nito. Wala pa itong 1 week sa market. So, grab the opportunity of owning one.
Connecting.
Maralaman natin kung ano talaga yung diferensya ng one speaker and two vibration speaker. Ayan na. Salamatan naman natin yung
connected.
natin, lugar dito. Ang ganda-ganda pa. Oh.
Thank you so much, of course, sa aming partner, Animo Events.
Animo Events for
Thank you very much.
your needs when it comes to partying, concerts, videography, photography, and daming services ng Animo Events.
Akala ko for your needs everyday. Muntik na ako dun
Muntik ka nang
mag-everyday.
magdulas.
Muntik na ako
Ayan na, subukan natin yung dalawang speaker.
Since connected na siya, tingnan natin, ha?
Ayan. Tingnan natin. Subukan nyo nga, dalawang ito eh.
Kuya, lumayo ka nga.
Sige, layo ako, tingnan natin. Malakas, di ba? Kasi, halimbawa, malaki yung room mo, pwedeng yung isa sa isang direction, yung isa sa ibang direction naman.
Yeah, pagka malaki
ito yung
room.
advantage ng dalawang speaker. Super bass vibration speaker.
I really want to hear you.
Anong hear me?
Na mag-rap. Kasi di ba parang boom, 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 boom.
Papaubo ako sa sinabi mo.
Boom, 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 boom yan eh.
You know, Josie, masama yan. You're always putting me on the spot, no? Hindi na ito oras ng kuhan.
Hindi. But ladies and gentlemen, marami pong hindi nakakaalam.
Ay, nako. Nako, pinaghahandaan pa talaga. Napasubo ako nito. Pwede na rin kasi relaxing ang bass, di ba? Tingnan mo. Well, up in Dubai, where the people are friends, there was one DJ who's gonna pass the test, and now he's down below and he's ready to play. That's right, Joe. Well, I'm the DJ. Never gets nervous when it comes to beat. A top-notch service in a class of a street, a complete elite treat that can't be beat. Well, Rick never knew the agony of defeat. Ayan, pwede na yan. Ano kayang effect kung love song naman yung itutugtog mo? Mamaya, pakinggan natin ito sa kabila. Yan. Yan. Malakas.
Again, ladies and gentlemen,
Yan.
it could turn any surface into a speaker. It's like magic, di ba?
Kaya, you don't need to carry big speakers.
Gusto ko naman mag-emote, kuya. Gusto ko ng love song.
Love song. Okay, sige.
Anong love song? Yung mga tipong I love you, goodbye, mga ganon.
Yung mga favorite ni Juan,
Nino.
ni Ninyo, yung kaibigan mo. Okay. Yung it is sad to belong to someone when the right one comes along. Yan na lang, basically. Ayan. Emote mo ka. Paano yan, man? Tingnan natin kung marunong ba siyang mag-emote. Dear Riza. Parang ka naman affair of the heart.
Yes! Pero grabe.
Ilipat mo doon. Alam mo kung medyo hinaan mo yung volume, nag-iisa ka sa room mo, tapos yun ang tugtog mo. Nako, papatak yung luha mo.
You really don't need big
sa,
speakers, ladies and gentlemen. Ito na po yung magic na tinatawag.
At ang tawag nito ay Super Bass Vibration Speaker only
at supinoy.com. Again, ladies and gentlemen, itong single po natin ay 299 dirhams.
Na dating
399.
Ngayon ang dalawa.
Ito namang dalawa ay
499 na dating
599 dirhams.
may 1-year warranty pa yan. Made of aluminum.
And of course, very, very light, very handy, very portable po siya. You can just put inside your bag.
Light and portable, soft touch control.
You can actually insert mic para sa mga calls mo din. Pwede.
Okay.
Kasi meron po.
Yan. Pwede pala.
Pwede. We are Tatak Pinoy.
And supinoy.com, keeping the community informed.